Hello children, in this video we are going to learn how to do multiplication with the decimal numbers, which is under chapter 6 exercise number 7. So multiplication generally we used to do with the whole numbers. No, the same method we are going to follow, just we are going to include after multiplying, we are going to include the number of places with the decimal. Okay, so I'll just show you with an example of 2.36 multiplying by 6. Okay, so first I am writing this 2.36 into 6. As usual you used to write, no? Likewise the same wise you are going to write. So now first, after decimal, how many numbers are there? How many places, decimal places are there? 1, 2. So 2 decimal places after decimal. So write 2 decimal place. So here 6 is a whole number. We don't have a decimal here. So only 2 decimal places all together we have. So just forget about the decimal. You are going to do first only with the normal multiplication. So 6 are 36. So 6 you will write here and 3 you will write here. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So 1 here, 2 carry forward. So 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So now the multiplication is over. After completing the multiplication, now consider the decimal places. So how many decimal places after the decimal point? 2 decimal places. So now from the right to left, from the right side to left side, 2 decimal places we have to move. So this is 1 decimal place, this is 2 decimal place. After 2 decimal place, this decimal point has to be placed. Okay. For 2 after decimal, 2 decimal places are there, no? Likewise, after doing the multiplication from right side to left side. See, not from the left side. Towards your right side to left side. From your right side to left side only we have to move. Okay. So the answer 14.16. Okay, I'll show you one more example. Multiply 53.75 by 12. 53.75 into 12. So here how many decimal place after decimal? 1, 2. So 2 decimal place after decimal point. So here no decimal. So to all together only 2 decimal places we are going to consider. So first I am going to do multiplication with 2 table. So first 1's place I am going to multiply. 2 5s are 10. 1 here. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 1 here. So while multiplying, don't consider this decimal. Just forget about this decimal. As usual, how you used to do multiplication, do like that itself. So now 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 5s are 10. So now 1's place multiplication is over. Moving to 10's place. So before moving to the 10's place of multiplication, in the second row, the 1's place has to be given 0. Okay. Then only you have to start multiplying. So 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. 1 3s are 3. 1 5s are 5. So now add these two. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry forward. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry forward. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. So 1 plus 5, 6. See, even here also you don't want to consider the decimal. Complete the multiplication you got the answer. After finding the answer, now go for the decimal place. How many decimal place after decimal is there? Decimal point, 2 decimal places. So from now, right side to left side. See, right to left you have to move. You have to move writing that spelling wrongly. Right to left. Okay. From right to left, 2 places. 1 place, 2 place. Decimal. So now the answer is 645. Since after decimal both the places are 0, we don't want to consider that 0. Okay. So we'll go to the next topic, multiplying a decimal numbers by tens, multiplying a decimal number by 100 and multiplying a decimal number by 1000. So in short, we are going to see how to do multiplication of decimal number with 10, 100 and 1000. So here 2.8 into 10. So you know how to do multiplication with 10, 100, 1000 directly. The same procedure we are going to follow here. So this 0 directly giving in the answer, multiply with the 1 table. 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2. After multiplying, now check with the decimal place. After decimal, how many places are there? After decimal, 1 place. So from right to left, 1 place after decimal you have to move. Then keep the decimal. So now answer is 28. The same 0.47 into 10. So this 0 writing directly in the answer, then multiply only with the 1 table. 1 7s are 7, 1 4s are 4 and 1 into 0 is 0. So no need to write that. So now check with the decimal point. After decimal, how many places are there? 2 places. So from right to left side you have to move 1 place, 2 place. After moving 2 place from right to left, keep a decimal. So answer 4.70. Okay. So now multiplying a decimal by 100. The same procedure we are going to do here. So 2 zeros, I'm going to move fast. 1 table if you multiply 6, 5, 4. So after decimal 3 places I have. So from right to left, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place after decimal. So answer is 45.6 or 600 also you can write. So here again 2 zeros directly answer, multiplying with 1 table alone, 9, 8, 2. So now include the decimal. After decimal how many places there? 1 place. So after decimal 1 place, right to left you have to move 1 place, after you have to keep the decimal. So answer 2890, that is 2890. So the same procedure is to be followed for the 1000 also, multiplying 1000 also. 3 zeros adding in the answer, 1 into multiply 8. So 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So I am just writing only 8. So here after decimal how many places are there? 2 places. So from right to left you have to move 2 places. 1 place, 2 place. So decimal here. Answer is equal to 80. So after decimal zeros are there, so I have not included. So one more sum. 34.07 into 1000. So write the 3 zeros first, then multiply with 1. 7, 0, 4, 3. Now after decimal 2 places are there. So from right to left you have to move 2 places. 1, 2. Keep the decimal after 2 places. Okay. So the answer is 34,070. So hope you have understood. Thank you children.